Are you constantly slouching at your desk, struggling with back pain, or just tired of feeling discomfort after long work hours? You're not alone. Millions of people deal with poor posture every single day, whether from hours spent on laptops, scrolling on phones, or simply sitting the wrong way. But here's the good news: posture correctors are a game changer, and today, we're diving into 15 of the best posture correctors available right now on Amazon that actually work. Each of these is designed to help you realign your spine, ease back pain, and regain that confident, upright posture. Stick around because number 11 is something most people don't even know exists. Let's get into it. 1. A Fear Revolutionary Upper Back Brace Posture Corrector for Women and Men. The OFIR Revolutionary Upper Back Brace is designed to provide upper back support for both men and women. It has a breathable, ergonomic design that contours to your body without causing irritation. Whether you're sitting at your desk or walking around the house, it gently pulls your shoulders back and helps you stay aligned without making you feel restricted. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants to improve posture subtly throughout the day. 2. Corrector Posture Corrector. The Corrector Posture Corrector is built especially for women, with soft materials and adjustable straps that are less bulky and more discreet under clothing. This model stands out because it's lightweight, but still provides the firmness you need to keep your shoulders rolled back. It works well during daily routines like house chores or office work without drawing attention. 3. Back Brace Posture Corrector with Spine Vertical Alignment System. This posture corrector is more advanced and comes with a built-in spine vertical alignment system. It's ideal for people suffering from scoliosis or chronic back discomfort. It supports both the lower and upper back and reinforces proper spinal posture. You'll definitely feel the difference after just a few wears, especially if you sit for extended periods. 4. Jiaobao Back Brace for Lower Back Pain Relief and Posture. Designed for lower back pain, the Jiaobao Back Brace offers a broader lumbar area for extra support. It's best for people who deal with lower spine tension or muscle strain. Whether you're standing, lifting, or sitting, this brace stabilizes your lower back and reduces the chances of injury while improving posture over time. 5. The Neo Posture Corrector for Women and Men. This is one of Amazon's favorites, and for good reason. It's affordable, comfortable, and highly adjustable. Suitable for both genders, it balances support with flexibility. It doesn't dig into your skin and can be worn under clothes discreetly. Great for beginners who are just starting to work on their posture. 6. BackTech Universal LSO Mid-Back Brace. If you're looking for a stronger brace for mid-back support, the BackTech is for you. It offers more rigid structure and is commonly recommended for recovery from back injuries. It's not as discreet as others on the list, but it's definitely one of the most effective if you need powerful lumbar support. 7. Fit Geno Back Brace for Lower Back Pain Relief. This one is highly reviewed for its comfort and lumbar support. Fit Geno's design allows natural movement while reinforcing a neutral spine position. It's especially helpful for people who experience stiffness after sitting too long or standing for long hours. The elastic materials allow a snug fit without making you feel squeezed. 8. Fetal Lower Back Brace with 5 reinforced stays. The Fetal Lower Back Brace comes with 5 reinforced stays for extra spinal protection. This is a serious upgrade if you've used softer braces before and want more rigid posture alignment. It's comfortable, secure, and designed for both men and women of various sizes. 9. Cordless Heating Pad with Massager and Lumbar Support Belt. This wearable heating pad is a 3-in-1 miracle. It heats, vibrates, and supports your lower back. Whether you're dealing with cramps, pain, or just need to relax your lumbar area after long hours, this device is a game changer. It's cordless and adjustable, making it ideal for people on the go or those working from home. In addition to its multi-functionality, the cordless heating pad with massager and lumbar support belt offers impressive portability and convenience. With the rechargeable battery and lightweight design, you can wear it while walking around the house, sitting at your desk, or even during light chores. The adjustable strap ensures a snug fit for various body types, and the intuitive controls let you easily switch between heat levels and massage intensities. Whether you need targeted relief or all-day support, this device adapts to your lifestyle without getting in the way. 10. Back Support Brace with Hot-Cold Therapy. This brace does more than just support your back, it also provides interchangeable hot and cold therapy. It's great for pain management, swelling, or inflammation after workouts or long workdays. You can wear it while lying down, walking, or even working at your desk. The back support brace with hot-cold therapy is designed for both comfort and versatility. Its secure yet flexible construction ensures targeted support for your lower back while allowing natural movement, making it ideal for all-day wear. 11. KKH Adjustable Ergonomic Back Brace. KKH's brace is sleek, minimalist, and ideal for women dealing with lower back pain. The design is ergonomic, hugging the contours of your lower back while still allowing a range of motion. It's one of the better-looking designs too, for those who want posture help without sacrificing style. What makes the P1 especially impressive is its integration with daily routines without disrupting them. The app allows you to set posture goals, track your progress, and even access guided posture improvement programs. The rechargeable battery lasts for days on a single charge, and the device is lightweight enough to forget you're even wearing it. It's a tech-savvy solution for anyone looking to improve spinal health, reduce back pain, or boost confidence through better posture, all without the hassle of bulky braces. 12. P1 Smart Posture Trainer and Corrector. Here's the futuristic one, the P1 Smart Trainer. It connects to an app and tracks your posture in real time. It gently buzzes when you slouch and encourages better alignment throughout the day. No straps, no bulk, just a smart, strapless device that fits discreetly and keeps you accountable. 13. Posture Corrector. This full back corrector aligns not just your shoulders, but your entire back and neck. It's a little more intensive and ideal for those who need consistent, total alignment, especially after injury or physical therapy. Despite its full coverage structure, it remains fairly breathable and lightweight. 14. Vertex Weighted Cushion for Forward Head Posture. The Vertex cushion helps correct forward head posture, a common problem from phone use or bad screen habits. You can use it on chairs, car seats, or anywhere you sit. It promotes natural spinal alignment from the base and gently forces you to sit correctly. 15. Gravity-Assisted Neck and Back Posture Corrector. Lastly, this gravity-assisted corrector supports both your neck and upper back. It mimics the effect of spinal decompression by using gravity to relieve pressure and pull your spine into the correct position. It's perfect for those with constant upper back stiffness or tension headaches due to poor posture. There you have it, 15 of the most effective posture correctors on Amazon that actually work. Whether you're aiming to improve your daily comfort, ease chronic back pain, or finally fix your posture once and for all, there's a perfect option here for you. Don't wait for the pain to get worse. Take the first step toward better posture and a healthier spine today. Check out the full list of products in the description and pick the one that suits your lifestyle best. We'd also love to hear from you. What kind of health gear or wellness tools do you want us to cover next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tap the bell icon so you never miss our next deep dive into top-rated gear designed to upgrade your life. Stay upright, stay strong, and we'll catch you in the next one.